All right. Peace and blessings, blessings and peace. Why don't you get over here so you can get in the camera? You know what I'm saying? It's Jarmel Reece, man, and I got the other Jarmel Reece with me today. And what we gonna do is what we gonna do. So what we doing today?
Juicing fruit.
So juicing fruit. What kind of fruit we juicing?
Watermelon and pineapple.
All right, pineapple
and ginger.
And the reason why we do that is because pineapple, especially for men and people in general, it brings down inflammation. For men, it's definitely a healthy thing for us. Like if you were suffering from vitality, where you're able to not have, you know exactly what I'm talking about, erections or anything like that. You're suffering from stuff like that. Watermelon juice can be able to do that. It's not an H2O, it's an H3O. So it's more powerful than actual water. This is actually one of the most powerful fruits in the world. You can just survive off drinking watermelon, period. You don't even have to eat anything. You could just eat watermelon. It has so many different nutrients and vitamins and so many different benefits that you could be able to have as well. Pineapple, another one, you know what I'm saying? Pineapple is, I want to leave a link of all the things that pineapple could be able to do, watermelon, and also ginger. And with these things combined, it just makes a really potent juice that you can be able to take in the morning. It's really good for being able to boost up your immunity. First thing in the morning, taking a pineapple, watermelon, and ginger juice, change your whole day, man. Change your whole day up, all right? So you with me?
Yep.
All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. First thing we're going to do is I'll come back here and put this over here. And we're going to grab a knife and we're going to cut off our watermelon, all right? So you definitely want to make sure that you washing your fruit off. He's being my assistant today. He's moving stuff in and out the way. He's also going to be my assistant when it comes down to drinking and stuff, because I know that's what he's really here for. He's really here for the tasting. Yep. That's what you're here for?
Yep.
So talk to me and tell me about what you got going on, man. What make you interested in being able to drink some juices?
Just seeing what new flavors taste like.
Seeing what new flavors taste like?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ever had watermelon and pineapple juice?
Nope. I've had pineapple juice and just watermelon juice by itself.
By itself?
Yep.
Did you like it?
Yeah. The watermelon juice was okay. The pineapple juice is good.
It was fire?
Yeah.
Out of 1 to 10, what you give it?
A 7.
The 7 for the pineapple juice?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
So it's a little too sweet.
It's a little too sweet?
Yeah.
So this is what I need you to do for me. Can you grab me a bowl so we can take this stuff and put it up? Eating the actual fruit is always going to be better because you're not breaking it down. And also when you get a juicer, make sure it's a maculated juicer where you're not taking out all the nutrients and vitamins from the actual juice. So like I said, we're going to take this skin and we're going to put this up because we got further use for that. And also if you got like your own house and you got a compound and stuff like this, you could take all this fruit skin and you could take this stuff and you could put it inside of the dirt, inside of your soil, and it makes you have good soil. So if you didn't know that, this actually cleans your soil. So let's just say if you wanted to be able to have your own farm or your own stuff, or you growing your own food and stuff like that, you take all your skins and you bury it in the dirt and you start it from there and you'll have your compound and it'll start being able to make you fresh dirt. Did you know that?
Nope.
Like that something?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to take that, put that back there for me, son. So, like I said, I'm going to wash this off. Mm-hmm. Take our water, take our pineapple. We're going to cut it up something like that. Since he said he liked pineapples, we're going to see how this pineapple tastes. How it tastes. Tell me how it tastes.
It's good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Nice and sweet. Grab the ends of it. I got that hard part to the end of it. Mm-hmm. But other than that, it's pretty solid. So I'm going to cut this up because we're going to put this all inside of our juicer. And this is our first time using the juicer too, so we want people to know that we don't know how to be able to use the juicer. We learning how to use the juicer on the fly.
I got one at home, but it's just not like this.
It's not like that?
Nope.
Scoot over some. I want to make sure your face get in. There you go. Here you go. So, you want to cut some of this stuff up?
Yeah, cut some.
All right, make sure you wash your hands. Wash your hands. Show the people we're washing our hands over here. Did you wash your hands already? Oh, okay.
I was in the bathroom a few minutes ago. I wash my hands just to wash my hands.
Okay.
Glad to get the milk.
All right. I'm just going to cut this fruit up a little finer. And I'm going to let you cut some of this stuff up. All right, you can be right here. Cut the junk up. I can't wait to see what this juicer do. We actually ain't making just the juice. We trying to see what the juicer can do. Here, just throw that in there. Yep. Yeah, just cut it in half. And so with ginger, you want to be real fine with this ginger because you don't need a lot of ginger. A little bit of ginger go a long way. Always remember that. Smell it. Strong. And what ginger does is it's real good for like in the morning time if you need a boost, an energy boost or anything like that. Ginger is real good for you. So you definitely want to make sure you put some ginger in some of your stuff. But a little bit of ginger go what?
A long way.
There you go. So we're going to cut that up and then we're going to get to the main ingredient here. And what's the main ingredient? What we doing with that? What's the main ingredient?
Watermelon.
There you go. You know it. That's what we here for. That's what everybody here for, the watermelon. We're going to cut half of our watermelon today because the family wants to eat the other half of it. I almost don't want to use this thing. That's fire. And as you can see, we like seeded watermelons. We don't like to be able to have the ones with no seeds, the ones grown in the lab. We like the ones grown from the ground. But your choice is your choice. Totally up to you. So I cut this up. And also, the skin of watermelon is great as well. It's a lot of benefits to being able to take the skin of watermelon and do certain things with it. It can, I know I made candy. Yeah, made candy. You could take some of that derived from this watermelon, and you can cut it up and you can put some like sugar on it or whatever, and you can make some little treats for like you guys type of stuff. It's pretty good. Next step of what we're gonna do is we're gonna start juicing. All right. Look at that, man. Like, the consistency of the juice is crazy. It doesn't got, like, no pulp or anything in it. It, like, looks like straight pure juice. Go ahead. Tell me what that's like.
Good.
It's good? Let me taste what you got going on here. Oh, man. That's more than good, bro. Like, I ain't gonna even hold you. Like, you could taste the ginger. You could taste the pineapple. You could taste the juice, and it's not. It don't feel like. Have you ever had watermelon juice where I feel like it's kind of hard to swallow? Mm-hmm. It tastes like all juice. You know the rest of it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie to you. This is our first time being able to use this juicer. We get ready to juice the rest of this stuff and put this together, but I highly recommend this juice. So what you think? So let's just say if we was giving this juice out, we was saying to people, hey, look, you should get this juice. So what we giving this? Out of 10, what we giving this?
8.
Giving it an 8?
Yeah.
What's the only thing that you would say that you would like to see better with this juicer?
How it goes, like, it gets faster and, like, it actually crushes up most of the fruit, and, like, how...
You didn't like how this came out?
Yeah, it kept getting stuck and stuff in there.
Okay.
But besides that, yeah.
Besides that, it's good. Besides that, and like I said, I'm going to keep using it because I think 8 out of 10 is pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I think that's really good because I had another juicer that was probably like out of 10, maybe a 3. And so, you know, I'm going to stick with this one for a while because it breaks up everything. Like you said, you can put whole apples inside of this thing, whole limes or whatever, and it breaks it up for you where you don't have to do it. And two, the cleanup looks real easy. Like I used to have a cleanup that used to be crazy. I hated the cleanup on the other juicer that we had. So we getting ready to sign off. We getting ready to eat the rest of this watermelon, juice the rest of this watermelon, and like I said, this blender is amazing, bro. Let's keep on moving and keep on moving in a healthy direction. Peace and blessings, y'all.